In this video, we do a quick haul out of the boat so we can inspect the bottom and take official measurements for the yacht club. We have a marine travel lift at the yacht club, which lifts boats from the water using large cable slings.
I mean, if it's a couple inches off, it's fine.
All right, that's good.
All right. All right, you got it snug?
Yeah,
Snug the strap, you got some weight on it?
All work at the club is done by members, so we all pitch in as a community wherever our skills are best suited.
Well, we'll see. It'll either lift or it'll crack in half and fall into the river.
You got insurance on it? Don't worry.
Yeah, sure.
Here we can get a quick look at the underside of the boat. This 1984 Gemini is small as cruising catamarans go, so the design, dating back to the British Aristocrat designed in 1969, compromises a bit on rough water seaworthiness in order to provide better interior accommodations. There is no trampoline up front, instead using that space for an anchor locker and the master stateroom.
You have a lot of coal line, coal beer.
Note the step down in the bridge deck near the center of the boat. This lowers the cabin floor a bit to allow headroom in the settee and standing headroom in the pilot house entryway. It is, as with most aspects of boat design, a compromise.
Yeah, probably. I'm gonna try and not get run over.
Yeah, right. You get run over by this, you're in trouble.
You sure are.
I'd go up, right? I'm gonna go up.
The other up.
Still low? How's that look?
Skimmer? I thought the boat was called 9 Lives.
With the boat briefly out of the water, I took the opportunity to inspect everything down below, including the centerboard in each hull, as well as all of the thru-hull fittings.
The middle, right?
Those are the scuppers. Look at this. Wooden bushings for the sled. How interesting.
What do you think, Brian? I think we're getting there.
Big keeper?
From the yacht club's perspective, the main point of the haul out was so that they could gain accurate measurements of the boat's overall length and width. So they're not concerned that the length of the boat is 31 feet or that it has a 27-foot length at waterline. They're concerned with the overall amount of space that the boat takes up in the slip, from the furthest protruding forward portion to the furthest protruding aft portion. They do this by dropping plumb bobs to the ground from the edges of the boat and measuring the distance between those points.
And one, so we'll go with 3. So it's 32, 3. 32, 3.
And they're concerned with, of course, the width of the boat, not just the advertised beam of 14 feet, but in this case, the 14 feet and 2 inches apparently, when measuring the overall width, including the rub rails.
Yep.
Bust the slime where the straps are.
I know, I was thinking we should just rub the straps the whole length of the hull.
Yeah, I don't know.
14 so. Okay.
14 and 2.
One thing, I mean, being part of this, our fees are so small.
With my cursory inspection of the boat bottom condition completed, and the Yacht Club's measurement of the boat's overall dimensions officially recorded, we drop the boat back into the water.
I'll grab the back line.